Edinburgh, Scotland. Hi guys, in today's video, we will be talking about the interesting places to visit in Edinburgh, Scotland. The first place of interest in Edinburgh is the Royal Mile. This street connects Edinburgh Castle with Roodhouse, so you can't miss it. This is the city's most popular spot for tourists and locals looking for a fun night out or great food. As a result, you may spend more time than expected exploring the main street and the narrow streets that branch off from it. Every time you go to a store, museum, or cafe, take your camera with you and be ready to take pictures at different intervals. Also, explore the narrow alleys surrounding the surrounding buildings as you might discover hidden gems. Number 2. Arthur's Seat. Arthur's Seat is an extinct volcano visible from the city center. At the highest moment, you get an extraordinary view of the entire city horizon. Here, all you have to do is lace up your hiking boots and go. Go early in the morning or late in the afternoon for the best lighting of the city skyline. If you shop there in May, don't miss the May Day festival. Young women wash their faces in the mountains in the morning so they can look young and beautiful, and you can try it. Number 3. National Museum in Scotland. This museum houses some of the most stunning treasures from Scotland and around the world, making it a must-see in Edinburgh. Exhibits include Dolly the clone sheep, the Schmidt telescope, and one of the largest mammal collections you will ever see. Here you will see the most fascinating exhibits of history, so be sure to check out at least a few of the 50,000 galleries for cuts, fashions, and styles. These two are simply amazing. If you have more time to spare, visit the World Culture Expo for more surprises and fun education. Number 4. Edinburgh Castle. Edinburgh Castle is one of the most iconic places not to be missed in Edinburgh. The castle is also one of the landmarks that deserves all the attention. The castle can be visited at any time, but is best visited during one of the many historical events. At these events, actors dressed as historical figures guide you around the castle and give you an insight into what you see. Number 5. St. Giles Cathedral. How much do you know about Giles Cathedral? This cathedral is a world of its own, surrounded by stunning architecture, stained glass windows, and intricate carpentry that draw attention and highlight the importance of this iconic building. If you like anything architecture or art, this is one of the best places in Edinburgh. Be sure to pay attention to the stained glass windows and the huge ceiling, which creates the impression of endless space. Number 6. Castle of St. Roodhouse. This is a great place to see and one of the most impressive sights in Edinburgh. Located at the end of the Royal Mile near Parliament, the building has been the residence of Scottish kings and queens since the 16th century. The castle is well worth seeing, so be sure to check the opening hours so you have a chance to explore the parts of the castle that are open to the public. Number 7. Scott's Monument. If you don't mind heights and winding, dark stairs, this is a great place to visit in the city. All you have to do is climb to the top of this tower and see if you have a strong stomach and strong legs. The tower is 61 meters high and has 287 steps. Number 8 is Victoria Street. Victoria Street is one of Edinburgh's most famous shopping areas and landmarks, so be sure to take your wallet with you when you visit this place. This street has some of the best independent shops in the city, so you can find everything from contemporary fashion to designer homeware and vintage books. Just spend the morning and the whole day exploring the streets. Be sure to check out the old books at the Old Town Bookstore and the joke shop to see if you can crack a joke. For no. 9 we have Camera Obscura. Do you want to travel with your children? If so, Camera Obscura is the perfect destination for you and your kids. This is a great place to explore with kids or a group of like-minded friends. Be sure to check out the Obscura itself, a Victorian dome structure. Inside, you'll see the cityscape projected onto the table in a neat and highly effective way to explore Edinburgh on a small scale. Finally, the last one is the National Gallery of Scotland. This is a great place to explore the work of Monet or Rembrandt. If you want to spend an afternoon at leisure, then this museum is the place for you. Exploring this site takes a few hours as it is a treasure that contains the best part of the Scottish art collection. Don't forget to take pictures of buildings as well. This is a new classic jewel that fits the works of art. That's all.